Welcome to Neztio. Here is how to get your center up and running in about 10 minutes. Neztio greets you with a sample center so you can see how everything works before you add a thing. Your rooms are already here. Adjust the names, ages, and ratios to match your center. Add each child once. Name, birthday, room. That is all Neztio needs to start tracking ratios and attendance. Invite your teachers by email. They get their own login and the teacher app. Now the important part. Check in your first child. This is the moment Neztio comes alive. Ratios update in real time. Attendance keeps itself current. Your whole day in one view. Invite parents when you are ready. They see their child's day from the Neztio app. Your center is ready to go. Welcome to Neztio.